Hi there, and in this video I'll show you how to enable battery protection on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. And for this we need to find the battery tab. So just open settings first and then scroll to find it. And here it is. And now we can see this battery protection tab. So it adjusts charging behavior to extend the lifespan of your battery. I think that everyone needs this function, so let's just enable it by tapping on this switcher. And now if we tap on this tab again, you can see 3 options. So basic one, your charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%. Adaptive is adapt to your sleeping schedule. And maximum, your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. You can choose any of this option, but I suggest you to keep this basic one. Or if you have regular sleep patterns, you can use adaptive option. And if you want to disable it, just tap on this switcher again. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.